And he shall bring forth a son, and thou shalt call his name Jesus, for he shall save his people from their sins. May God bless you. Amen. Fapa asing anga aminga isua isaang ani chuan mi te an thil ti sual laka a chandam don sia atia isua chuan ami te kan thil ti sual laka min chandam lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.